Watch this video and learn how to draw a spider boy.
Come on kids, let's run, let's rush. Grab a pencil, chalk or brush. Now let's go and make some art. Draw and paint, come on, let's start. Let's have fun, let's have a party. Making art with our friend Artie.
Hello.
Hello, Artie. Are you going to welcome everyone?
Welcome to Artie's show.
Good boy.
Greetings, Artie!
What's up, Artie?
Artie, come on. Let's focus. Do you have your pens? Have you got your paper?
Yeah.
Should we draw Spider Boy?
Okay.
We're going to start by drawing a sort of upside down egg shape in the top right-hand section of the paper. Artie's in a very good mood today. All right, let's complete the egg shape. This is Spider Boy's head. Pretty good start, Artie. Now let's do the eyes. Spider Boy has teardrop-shaped eyes. Do you know what that is, Artie?
No.
Well, it's a sort of circle shape, but then it goes to a point, like a drop of water. That's it. You did it perfectly. Should we do the right eye?
Yeah.
If you're drawing along with Artie, here's a little message from our friend Louie.
If Artie is drawing a little too quick, you can pause the video, that'll do the trick. While it's paused, you can draw away. And when you're caught up, you can just press play. Oh, that was marvellous, darling.
Thank you, Louie. Now, let's draw an outline around those eye shapes. Copy the original shape as closely as you can, but on the outside. Very good job, Artie. Now the left one. Again, copy that shape as closely as you can, just outside of the original shape. This is already looking really good, Artie. Are you enjoying yourself? Oh, good. I'm pleased. Let's do a little circle for Spider Boy's nose. Okay, now let's draw Spider Boy's right hand as if he's about to cast out a web. Let's do his pointing finger sticking out, and then his other fingers can be folded in. There's the pointy finger. Now let's do the next two fingers folded in, and then at the end let's do the pinky finger also pointing out. There it is. Now it looks like he's about to shoot out a web from his hand. Very good, Artie. Now let's start the left hand. This hand doesn't need as much detail.
Isn't art fun?
I think so.
Art is so much fun, Betty and Mikey. Let's draw Spider Boy's feet. Now, we're going to do two very simple shapes. Just long oval shapes. There's his left foot. And now let's do another long oval shape, and that will be his right foot. It looks as if Spider Boy is jumping in the air as he casts his web. Now a couple of lines just to connect his feet to the rest of his body, and a line for his little butt between his feet. Now let's draw his little spider logo on his chest. This is just a very simple drawing of a spider. Ooh, I don't like spiders, Artie.
I like them.
You like spiders?
Yeah.
This is looking pretty good, Artie. Should we carry on with the drawing, or should we take a break? Let's take a dance break.
Come on, little artists. Let's all dance.
Exquisite. Absolute. I mean, exquisite. Exquisite. 10.
Very good job, Mikey. I didn't know you could dance. All right, let's get back to the drawing. Now, we're going to use a thinner pen this time to do the lines, the web lines on Spider Boy's face.
What did you have for breakfast this morning, Mikey?
Betty, I'm a marker, so I had a banana.
I didn't know that marker pens ate bananas. I certainly learn something new every day around here. That's right, Artie. Continue the spider's web on Spider Boy's face. That looks really good.
Come on, kids, let's run, let's rush. Grab a pencil, chalk, or brush.
And a marker.
Yes, Mikey, we get it. You love marker pens. Now let's do a few more thinner lines on Spider Boy's hand. Sometimes it's really effective to use a thick marker pen and then a much thinner marker pen. It gives a really nice contrast. It's called a graphic style.
Oh.
You see, Artie, you're learning things around here today also.
Yeah.
Okay, let's move on to the feet and do some thin lines on the feet. Wow, Artie, I didn't know you could sing as well as draw.
Yeah.
Hey, Mikey, would you like to go get an apple?
Yeah, let's do it.
Are you finished? Should we colour it in now? You're all finished, Artie. It looks very good.
Man, I hope everyone else's project came out as good as Artie's did.
How does does your drawing look, little artist?
That's right. We hope you were drawing along. Okay, it's time to say goodbye and have an arty day.
Bye-bye. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.